The Police Department of West Khasi Hills District today observed Police Commemoration Day to remember and honor the martyrs who laid down their lives in the line of duty. The program was held at the office of the Superintendent of Police, West Khasi Hills, and was attended by West Khasi Hills District Deputy Commissioner Garrett LSN Dykes, SP Bikram D. Marak, school students, teachers, and the relatives of the martyrs, among others. The day was marked with a 2-minute silence, a wreath-laying ceremony, and a commemoration parade by the police.
It is in the year 1959, on 20th of October, the 10 security forces belonging to CRPF were killed in an attack by the Chinese KLA troops when they were guarding in the border of China and India. Every year, to honor this supreme sacrifice, our police personnel visit this Ladakh hot spring and used to pay homage.